Hello and welcome to the Secrets of Technology, brought to you by AKA Science. I'm Max and these are the unique activities for Class 1, Circuit Basics. We are going to start with Go with the Flow of Electricity. Begin by passing out a button battery and an LED bulb to each student. Show them that the plus or positive and minus or negative symbols on the battery and explain that the LED also has positive and negative sides, with the shorter length wire being the negative and the longer being the positive. Touch the corresponding sides of the LED to the battery and your bulb will light up. Now pass out the first circuit worksheet so we can practice using the maker's tape. Attach the tape to the worksheet as closely on top of the line as you can. Then move on to making the little circle. You might want to spend extra time making the circle because it can be a huge pain and because we're going to be using it a lot. Take a shot at flattening the LED wires, and then before you know it, it's time to make our first circuit. Take the LED bulb and, with the positive wire pointing down and the negative pointing up, secure it into place with a piece of Scotch tape. Make sure not to cover too much of the wire. Now, beginning on the negative side, lay down a piece of maker's tape nice and smooth so that it totally covers the negative LED wire and continues into the battery space. Now roll up that little maker's tape circle and place it on the negative line of tape. With the negative side down, stick the button battery onto the maker's tape loop. We have completed the first half of the circuit. All we need to do now is use the second piece of tape to connect the positive LED wire to the battery, and our bulb lights, showing us a completed circuit. Now that we know how to make a basic circuit, let's move on to the next activity, Your Name in Lights. Begin by having everyone make a name tag. Then use the safety pins to poke two little holes somewhere on the tag. These should be close enough together to fit the LED wires all the way through. Now flip the name tag over and mark which side will be negative and which is positive. Then insert the LED bulb from the front and bend the wires in the same direction. Roll up a tape circle and stick it lengthwise on the negative wire. Then stick the battery into place on the tape circle. Now use a piece of maker's tape to connect the positive side and the bulb will light up. Use the safety pins to attach the tags to their clothes, then give them a chance to show off their glowing tags and we can move on to our final activity, Circuit Sketchbook. Pass out circuit symbols worksheets and go over the real shorthand symbols used by professionals to draw electronic diagrams. Based on the symbols, have them identify the components present in the example circuit on the worksheet, then have them sketch out a diagram of the circuit they made in the first activity using the symbols. Now it's time to clean up, debrief, and I will see you in Class 2.